Today we're going to talk about the Andobil wireless charger. This works with Android, Samsung, and iOS iPhone, as well as any Qi-based wireless charging devices. This means that charging your device will be quick and easy, and you won't need to worry about having the correct charging cord. This device is perfect for friends and family who come by who may not have the same type of device requiring different types of charging cables. Charging time varies between 30 and 80 minutes depending on the battery size. The charging pad has a built-in cooling system designed to effectively dissipate heat and prevent overheating, ensuring that it is safe. If you are using a phone case, it cannot be thicker than 6 millimeters, that's 0.23 inches, or else it may not charge properly. Although most cases work just fine, if you are not sure your case will work, please leave a comment down below and we will investigate and see if your case is compatible. Inside the box we have a USB-C to USB-A charging cord, designed to plug into the charging disc. This cord is designed strictly for power delivery with Andobil products. I really like the included cord management system. This will allow you to store away your cord in a neat fashion. The Andobil welcome guides are some of the best I have seen yet. They're very detailed and written very well. Always consult your guide first if you have questions, but if the guide doesn't answer them, we are always here to help you out. Comment below or send us an email. The links in the description will be posted. Check them out. The design is inspired by Apple Park. In case you haven't seen it, it's a circular building with a park in the center. It's pretty cool. I actually really like the design of the Andobil charging pad. It not only looks good, but it also feels good and works well. One of my personal favorites is the little silicone placements that keep the device steady and planted while on the charging pad. The base also has a very stable silicone pad. Quite awesome and very minimal branding. I really like it. Okay, now let's plug it in and try it out. When you're first trying to plug it in, it's a bit stiff, so make sure to push it in a little extra hard for proper insertion. The female USB-C end is at the north side of the charging pad. Okay, and once you have it plugged in, go ahead and place your device on top of the charging pad. Keep in mind, you have to position the phone just right where it's mostly in the center of the charging pad coils to come in close contact, or else it may not sync up and charge. As you can see, the iPhone 12 mini has no problems charging up. I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to simplify their charging. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched this far, I highly recommend you subscribe because you would make a great subscriber. If you have any questions, we are definitely here for you. We want to hear from you guys. Have you used a wireless charger before? If so, what is your experience like? We hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.